So in this chapter, we are going to learn about the cylinder, okay, measurement of cylinder, measurement of cone. So almost these two calculations, they are almost same, okay. Their formulae are almost same. That's why I am teaching this together. Let me teach this together because almost their formula are exactly same. Nah, so cylinder, what in the cylinder? Okay, so if you take a pencil or a pen, okay, so you can see a round type. You can see like this. Okay, so gas for cylinder is called cylinder. That is not a cylinder. Okay, that is also cylindrical shape. But so if we can see any box or any vessel, if they are rounded, okay, so if they are elongated, sorry, लामचो परेको छ, गोलो परेको छ, लामचो परेको छ भने, that is called the cylinder. Okay, so you can see around you, you can see your water bottle or some storage box. Okay, एउटा गोलो खालको box जुन छ, they are also cylindrical shape. Okay, so गोलो खालको के छ तिम्रो घरमा बट्टाहरू. Okay, so they are all the cylinder. Okay, and cone means what? Cone means the happy birthday wala cap. Okay, otherwise the ice cream wala cap. The cone, that's what we call it, cone. Okay, so the cone of the ice cream. So that is, this part is called the cone. Whereas, so if they are round, cylindrical, sorry, circular, as well as if they are elongated, माथि पनि त्यही खालको नै सर्कल छ भने this is called the cylinder. So next one, cone चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ अरे, cylinder, but if the next point is pointed, okay, चुच्चो परेको छ भने that is called the cone. That is simple differences between cylinder and cone. So can you hear my voice, all everyone? Abhishek, can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, after that, cylinder. What is the formula? How to remember this formula? So, actually, you need to memorize only one formula. Cylinder मात्र याद गरेर नि cone पनि आफै याद हुन्छ. Okay. So let me take up the pencil over here. So okay. So pencil, pen, they are all the cylindrical shape. Okay. Your pencil, whatever you are seeing in the screen, the pencil shape, they are also cylindrical in shape. गोलो हल्को छ, लाम्चो हल्को छ भने that is called a cylinder. Okay. Now, if you see it, what is the formula of cylinder? LSA of cylinder or the CSA, curved surface area. Right? CSA means, the meaning of it is curved. You can write down. You can keep on writing the formula also. CSA, LSA na one, CSA na one. So CSA means curved surface. Please write down. Curved surface area. Curved surface area. Okay, make, so write on the full form CSA, curved surface area. Now TSA means it is total surface area. Total surface, you can see the spelling over here, surface area. Okay, that means it includes everything. Curved surface area, total surface area, and this is the volume. Okay, so the full form is given over here only. Now we need to know the meaning of curved surface area. Curved bane kya ho? Tomorrow. Okay, rounded part. So where is the rounded part? So you part line it, the part which is getting winded. That means you make a part. Suppose you bought one paper. Okay, so sorry, reshoot भने के गर्नुहुन्छ, सरले एउटा केही chart paper or something, they will fold and they will beat you, isn't it? So that is also an example of cylinder. So if you roll a paper, okay, then what is this? This is the circular part. Okay, circular part लाई नि के भन्छ, कर्व भन्छ, कर्व. Okay, so the more part लाई we call it curve. So what is the area from this part to this part? Okay, यो part को, यो घुमाउरो part को चाहिँ कति छ त area? That is called the curved surface area. Did you understand or not? Only this part, this portion, यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्म घुमाउरो part को area चाहिँ कति छ त? How much does it occupy? Suppose if we cut from here, okay, the cylinder लाई त काटिदिउँ भने के हुन्छ त? We can see a long portion, isn't it? If we cut it from here, then if we roll it, it becomes long part. So what is the area of this part? Okay, यसलाई फेरि घुमाए भने it again becomes like this only. Again, it gets folded and it becomes like this. It becomes cylinder. Okay. So what is the area of this part? Okay. So that is called the area of top surface area. Mr. Pawan, Mr. Milata. Okay. Now after that, total surface area. Then we talk about total surface area. So TSA, total surface area, means the Gumoro part. What do you call it? Gumoro part, like one side. CSA plus what is also included over here? It includes two circle. Can you see the circle over here? Total मा चाहिँ के पर्यो? Gumoro पनि पर्यो. Okay, pencil को वरिपरि. Okay, so pencil को वरिपरि भने जस्तै. So this is the Gumoro part, that is the top surface area. This is the CSA, and in this CSA, so if we add the base area, mathi पनि some the data circle is there at the top also. Okay, mathi र तल दुईटा circle छ. So if we add these two also, then that is called the total surface area. Top surface area मा दुईटा circle लाई जोड्यो भने we will get TSA. Okay, so actually the formula of TSA means के अरे top surface area. This is top surface area. Okay, TSA का formula. TSA means Gumoro part, that is CSA plus how many circles are there? How many circles are there altogether? Two circles are there. That means 2 into area of circle. What is the formula of area of circle? Do you remember? It is pi r square. Area of circle pi r square. Circumference of circle 2 pi r. Okay. So CSA, what is the formula of CSA? It is 2 pi r h. है ना, CSA का फॉर्मूला क्या हो? So 2 pi RH plus ये फॉर्मूला कसरी बनाएको? So I am teaching, right? So plus 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square. So what is common in between these two numbers? So 2 is common, pi and pi they are common. So pi is there common. Okay, so r and r square is there. That means r is also common. So what is remaining then? So h is remaining plus. So r square में r common ले. What is remaining? R is remaining. That means what is the formula of TSA? 2 pi r. Okay, r already h ला पछाडि राख्यौं. So 2 pi r plus h is the formula of TSA. That means so top surface area मा दुईटा बेस जोड्यो भने it becomes total surface area. Now volume means यो भित्र पार्टमा कति is also. If you are just talking about the rounded part, okay, बाहिरको पार्टमा चाहिँ कति एरिया छ? Suppose you are going to make this drum. Okay, यो ड्रम बनाउन आँटेको छ भने कति फलाम लाग्छ भनेर गर्छ भने चाहिँ that is called the total surface area. Okay, अब यो ड्रम भित्र चाहिँ कति पानी अट्छ? So how much water will be included? Because drum भनेपछि metal कहाँ लाउँछ? भित्र लाउँदैन. कहाँ लाउँछ? वरिपरि मात्रै लाउँछ. If you are just calculating how much metal is required for making this drum, भन्छ भने वरिपरि मात्रै त बनाउँछ नि, हैन? So this is called the total surface area. Volume means so how much does it occupy? Okay, how much space does it occupy? That is called the volume. यता पानी हाल्यो, लिक्विड हाल्यो, anything if you keep it, then how much thing can be accumulated? Okay, कति चीज चाहिँ अट्छ यता, कति volume चाहिँ अट्छ, that is called the volume. Okay, how much thing can be accumulated over here, that is called the volume. Okay, so this is all about the formula. Now let us talk about the cone. Okay, so first of all let us see how to memorize 2 pi r h. Okay, 2 pi r h. What is the formula of CSA of cylinder? 2 pi r h. Correct. So TSA, the similar form, है यो यति मात्रै याद गरौँ न. Circumference circle को formula के हो? It is 2 pi r. Okay, h 2 pi r h. So what is the formula of TSA? In the similar way, 2 pi r नै याद गरौँ, आधी सम्म चाहिँ याद गरौँ. 2 pi r. Okay, now after that bracket r plus h. Finish. This is the formula. 2 pi r h. Okay, and here 2 pi r plus h. Here r plus is also added over here. R plus h is also added over here. Okay, so volume. So it is, what is the formula of area of circle? The area of circle is pi r square. Okay, so pi r square. यति याद गरौँ, यहाँ circumference सँग multiply गरेछ h ले, यहाँ area सँग multiply गरेछ h ले. Okay, so area, so circumference of circle. Do you remember circumference of circle or not? Circumference of circle 2 pi r, area of circle pi r square. Do you remember this one or not?
Yes, sir.
Class 8 not पढेको. Okay, so class 9 पढेको. So if we multiply h with circumference, that is called CSA. Okay, if we multiply area with height, then that is the volume. Okay, pi r square h. Okay, in this way you can memorize. Formula चाहिँ याद हुनु पर्यो. You should not be in the copy. You should be in your mind. Okay, so this is your mind. It should be inside your mind. Oh my God, what is this? Okay, so
Yes,
this
sir.
is your mind, and the formula must be inside your mind. Okay, let me continue. Now, after that, so how to memorize the formula of cone? Okay, if you know the formula of cylinder, you can know the formula of cone also. Just what you need to do, if there is 2, cancel 2. Okay, instead of h, write down l. This is the way to memorize the formula of cone. If there is 2, cancel 2. Instead of h, write down l. Finish. The formula is letter only. Okay. So 2 pi r h, cancel 2. Pi r, instead of h, what we have to write? L. So pi r l. This is the formula. Because there was 2 circles, there is only 1 circle. Okay. So only 1 circle means no 2. Okay. So pi r l. That is the formula. Next one is PSA. Again, memorize in the same way. Memorize in the same way. Okay. So cancel 2. Instead of h, write on l. So pi r plus l. Pi r plus l. Okay, in this way we can memorize. This is not 1, this is l. 1, l. L. Okay, but in case of volume, it doesn't apply this one. This formula apply. What is the formula? Pi r square h. Write on pi r square h. So whatever the straight figure, the pointed figure, okay, यो माथि pointed भएको छ नि त, यो यसरी चुच्चो भएको छ नि. So if something is pointed in this way, then in this case we need to write on 1/3. सिलिन्डरै हो नि त, यो त सिधा बनाएर त सिलिन्डरै हुन्छ नि त. Okay, but if instead of making cylinder, if they are pointed like this, then pointed भएको छ भने, then what we call it? So what we have to do? We have to multiply with 1/3. Okay, instead of writing like this, we need to multiply by 1/3. Are you understanding or not? The volume pi r square h. The volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, so remove 2. Note how to memorize. Okay, so cancel 2 will not be there, and instead of h, write on l. So that will be the formula of cone. And in case of volume, just 1/3 we need to add in this way. If you make the note yourself, then that will be easy for you to memorize. Is it okay? Did you memorize all the formula or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula of CSA of cylinder? 2 pi r h.
2 pi r h.
PSA, without looking you can see, say 2 pi r plus h. Volume, it is pi r square h.
R h.
Okay, so today we are just going to learn about the cylinder. So this formula yaad garau ta. 2 pi r h, 2 pi r plus h, and volume is pi r square h. Okay, so this tomorrow we are going to learn. Okay, are you ready with the formula? Formula is the main thing, right? Without formula, we cannot do anything in math. Formula is the main gadget. Object like it and mobile. A good mobile. Oh, this is the mobile. 8 GB RAM wala mobile. Without this, we cannot do anything. Okay, so now let us go to the question. So find the LSA, sorry, LSA and CSA. Short surface area, not the letter surface area. So make the question. I read the question. So find the CSA, PSA, and volume of given cylinder. Find the CSA, PSA, and volume of given cylinder. So if radius equals to 7 centimeter, radius is given, height is given. Only two things will be given in the question. Okay. So radius is given, height is given. 7 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Okay. So find the LS. Sorry, it is not LS. It is CSA. Short surface area. Okay. LSA and CSA, it means same thing, but if they are rounded, circles are LSA and CSA. Yeah. So sorry for the mistake. So it is not LSA. It is CSA. Okay. CSA equals to question mark. PSA equals to question mark, and volume equals to question mark. So what is the formula CSA? Do you remember what is the formula of CSA?
2 pi RX.
2 pi RS. Okay, so 2 pi RS is the formula of cylinder. Okay, so 2 pi RS, just put the value, get the answer now. 2 pi means
22/7.
okay, radius is 7. Okay, and height is how much? 10. Remember, eh? So the value of pi is not given anywhere. You need to memorize yourself. Pi means 22 by 7. This is the value of pi. My calculation may be wrong, right? Please do it yourself. With the calculator. 445.
Sir, correct.
Yeah, 450 is correct.
Correct, sir.
So pi means 22 by 7. So 2 pi means 22 by 7. Radius is 7. Height is 10. So 7 and 7 will be cancelled. And 2 into 20 into 10. We can do it. Otherwise, we can use a calculator and get the answer. 440. Is it okay? Now let us talk about the TSA of cylinder, that is total surface area of a cylinder. So what is the formula of TSA of cylinder? 2 pi r.
2 pi R plus H.
Okay, it's 2 pi r plus h. So 2 pi means 22 by 7. Okay, radius is how much? 7. Okay, so we are keeping 7 over here. Just we are putting the value, right? Nothing we have done, nothing more than that. So radius is 7. So bracket, the bracket. Okay, so bracket already multiply by like down. So now bracket now like so multiply now like 10 means because we know that bracket means multiply. Okay, so radius is 7 plus. So height is how much? Height is 10. Height is 10. Okay, bracket close. So 7 and 7 you can cancel it. Okay, so 2 into 22 it will be 44 into 7 plus 10 it is going to be. Do not use your calculator directly, eh? Just do step by step. Cancel this
So
7
correct
7.
answer.
Cancel this 7 7. One live I have skipped. Okay, so please do it yourself. So 2 into 22 it will be 44 into the 7 plus 10 it is going to be 17. So 44 plus 17 it is going to be how much? Is it going to be 7.48 or not?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Let's got the answer or not? Okay, so I'm very
Yes,
happy
sir,
with this
correct.
class today because most of them are present. This is what I mean. Oppo A1K, please rename your name. Eh? Please write a name. Oppo A1K, who is carrying this Oppo? I need to take the attendance afterwards. So what about Ussab sister?
Sir, we can do 2 number.
Okay, so volume, let us talk about volume. So volume, what is the formula of volume? So pi r square h. So pi means 20 by 7. Radius is 7 square. Height is 10. Okay. You use your calculator and you get the answer. So 1540. Is it the correct answer or not? Is it the correct answer?
Yes, sir. Correct answer.
Okay. So one more thing, let
Sir,
me
we can do two
remind you.
number.
You can do it. First, listen my voice first. So here,
Yes, sir.
uh, what is the flow of CSL? What is the flow of CSL? It is curved surface
2 pi
area.
RH.
No. I'm asking the full form of CSL.
Cost surface area.
Okay. So what is the last word over here? Area, isn't it?
Area.
So what is the unit of area?
Square.
Square centimeter. Hmm. So this is also area. If you see the full form of this one, then it is total surface area. This is also area. That is, what is the unit of area? Again, square centimeter.
Square
Okay.
centimeter.
If the given was in meter, then square meter. Square meter त यस्तो पो हुन्छ त है सर भन्छ भने होइन है. This is square centimeter. It seems to be centimeter square, but it is square centimeter. Pronounced with square in first. Okay, so this must be pronounced first. Then after that, look at here. This is volume. We have learned in class 9 also. In case of volume, we need to write on not the square centimeter. We need to write on cubic centimeter. Okay, so cubic centimeter must be written. Correct. So this is your question. Question number 2. Please do it yourself quickly. Quickly. We have less time left now. So radius is given 7 centimeter, height is given 14 centimeters. So find out the it is not the LSA, it is CSA. So CSA equals to question mark, TSA equals to question mark, and volume equals to question mark. And the answers are given. So please match your answer whether it is right or not. Tell me whether I am correct or not. That answers are right or wrong. Just 2 minutes will be given. Yeah. So in this case also, so find the missing value. That means our J should take us here. Let us find out the value of that one. Okay, so CSF cylinder is given now. So in the previous question, you were asked to find out the CSA. Okay, but here CSA is given and radius you need to find out. Now radius formula ke hoina. So always memorize the same formula, single formula, so that you can memorize that in the future. If there are 50 formula and if there are 5 formula, it is better to learn 5 formula. Okay, your type formula about derive garam na baro. Okay, so use one formula. What is the formula of CSF cylinder? What is the formula
2
of
pi
CSF?
r.
Okay, 2 pi RH. So put the value 2 pi means 20 by 7. Radius is not given. Let us write on R itself. Okay, your word to sunny sir X suppose one in. So let us write on R only. A single word is there. Okay. So R is there. Into height. What is the value of height? 10.
10.
So if something is not given, obviously it will be given this side. What is the value of CSA? 440.
440.
Okay, so 440. Now, so let us take this divide sign this side. When divide go this side, it will multiply. And when multiply go this side, it will be divide. So
Divide.
2 also will go divide. So 22 also will go in the divide sign. 10 also will go in the divide sign. Now multiply this number 440 into 7, 3080. Please check with the help of calculator, right? I may be mistake over there. So 2 into 22 into 10. So 440 will be there. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. It's right.
Now, so after that, so if we cancel it, is it going to be 7 centimeter or not?
Yes, sir. 7 centimeter.
So radius is just the length only, so centimeter, right? So do not write on centimeter square centimeter. Because of area, please stay in the silent room, okay? So that there will be no any disturbance in the chat. Just 2 minutes left now. Okay, now let us go to the next question. TSA. Okay, so TSA of cylinder 748 square centimeter. Height is missing now. Okay, height is missing and radius is given 7 centimeter. So what shall we do? Use the formula of TSA.
Yes.
TSA of cylinder equals to, what is the formula? 2 pi r plus h. So something I have missed over here. So here, so right start on 2 pi means 20 by 7. Radius is how much? Radius is given 7 minus into radius is again 7. Please stay in the silent moment. So radius is 7 plus height is how much? Height is missing. Height is missing this side. Okay. Height I have to contain. We erase this one. This is from the previous question. Sorry. Okay. So 2 means 2. Pi means 20 by 7. Radius is 7. Again, radius is 7 plus height is not given. So h name paper is. Okay. Now, if this side is missing, you need to keep the value this side. Okay. So yeah, because obviously it will be given. So what is the value of TSA? Find out. It is 748. Okay. It is 748. Now, after that, what shall we do? So 7 and 7 will be cancelled. Okay, I've shown over here. Cancel what they answer. 7 and 7 will be
Yes,
cancelled.
sir.
So 2 into 20 will be
44.
44. Right. Now 44 is in the multiply sign. When multiply both this will be divide.
Divide.
So divide this number. Is it going to be 17?
Yes, sir. 17.
17. Now this is only the remaining number. 7 plus h is the remaining number. 7 plus h. When plus both this will be okay, 17
Minus
plus 7 is equals to h. That means h
H
will be equal to 10
10
centimeter.
10 centimeter.
Okay, did you get the answer?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, so from volume also let us find out how to find out the missing value, and after that the time is almost over, so we got 7 minutes left now. Okay, so after that it will be auto cut. Zoom line after cutting things. Okay, so let me give you the next question. Okay, so that question is not prepared, so let me keep by myself. So let me make the question from this side only. Okay, so number 3. So let us write down volume. Write down the question. Volume is given 1540 cubic centimeter. 1540 cubic centimeter. Now, suppose radius is given 7 centimeter. Radius is given 7 centimeter. Height pata lagao. Look, get the value of h. Your h should be 10 centimeter. Use the formula volume and get the answer. Volume of cylinder equals to pi r square. The answer must be 10 centimeter. We are class 10 now. We cannot be slow. We need to be very fast now. Your writing must be very fast.
Sir, how much answer? 10 centimeter.
10 centimeter. Who's been cooperated?
Mr. Neeraj.
My answer.
Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Pawan or Mr. Neeraj or who is playing PUBG over here?
I am not playing, sir.
So not playing.
Like around
I think Neeraj brother playing. That's why coming
Please,
from.
please say him to be silent or go in the next room. Yeah, Neeraj. Okay, look at here. Just we have 2
Okay,
minutes.
sir.
2
और
minutes or 3 minutes.
दादा
La,
डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है
listen. So let me a little bit change the question. La. So suppose radius is not given. Radius is not given and height is given 10 centimeter. Now tell me how much will be the answer of this radius? It must be 7 centimeter. The answer must be 7 centimeter. Please be quick.
R square into 10 centimeter.
दिमागलाई खाना मैले के लेखिसकेँ भनेर. So you must be so fast. The writing must be fast at the light. Speed of the light. So 1540. So divide will come here. It will be multiply and multiply. It goes in the divide sign. So first of all, multiply this one directly. Timale calculator chala and all the divide. So multiply this number. How much will get? 1540 into 7.
10,000.
10,000.
Sir,
Yeah.
answer.
10,780
and divide this one. So multiply this one also 22 into 10 which is equal to
220.
20. So divide
220
this-
49
Sir, 9.
this is 9. We have less than 1 minute. Right? Now it may the video maybe can stop anytime. Okay. So 49 means
Sir,
how much?
49. 49.
49 भनेको
सर
कति?
49 came ए
49 means what is square?
7 square.
7
Sir,
square
Square of 7. So square and square will be cancelled. That means R will be equal to
7
7. This is going to be the answer.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
So is there any problem? Boys and
no
girls?
sir
No, sir.